Hi, it's Chris from Duffy Floors, and today we're going to talk about the effects of humidity in your wood floors. Wood floors are a hydroscopic material, which means they pick up moisture and they release moisture. Just like everything in your house does, all the wood products, the doors stick in the summertime, they're good in the wintertime. Your floors will have gaps that'll open up in the wintertime because the wood is dry, and they'll close back up in the summertime. Also, squeaks. When your floors swell up and get real tight, there's no place for it to move around. It's not squeaking. But when they are release the moisture and they're very dry and have a lot of gaps in them, then the boards start to move a little bit and we get a lot of squeaking happening. So along the lines of February and into March and even a little bit into April, I get calls saying my floors are squeaking. I have a problem with them. My floors have gaps. I have a problem with them. You don't have a problem with them. It's natural to have that gapping happen during the winter months, and it will close up during the summer months. What you need is a humidifier in the winter months and a dehumidifier in the summer months, because you want to keep the relative humidity of the floors, of the ambient air in your house at 35% relative humidity. At that rate, nothing will move. But since in the Northeast we have the greatest swing of humidity in the country, then you're going to have a lot of movement with your floors. As you can see here, this is an antique oak floor, and these have got some gaps that have opened up. And I'll tell you, these gaps weren't here last summer. So what's happened is that the amount of dryness from the heat being on in the winter months, the lack of humidity and the lack of temperature that can hold air, hot air can hold a lot more water than cold air. So, and with wood being hydroscopic, it wants to pick up moisture. So these gaps that are here, for every change in humidity over 35% relative humidity, up or down, you're going to have 1/100th of a 28th of movement in a 2-inch board. These are 8-inch boards here, so you're going to have a 32nd of movement on those boards. So if each board is moving a 32nd, then you're going to have gaps that are going to be opening up. But not to worry, just be patient and wait till the summer months come, and you may even have to wait into September for everything to close back up. And then you'll see it open back up in December, January, and February. So this is Chris from Duffy Floors. If you've got a problem with your floors, if you think you've got excessive gapping, if you think you've got squeaking, give us a call at 781-395-3418. Better yet, if you're out of our area, then please go to my website at duffyfloors.com and go to my services tab to the Ask the Expert page. There you can book a time for a consultation. We can discuss any issues that you may be having with your wood floors at that point, and hopefully we can get some answers for you. This is Chris from Duffy Floors, signing off.